It's Patrick at Pals. Well, Joe's got the brakes off, got the wheel cylinder ready to come out, and we found out that the axle seal is leaking on this Jeep. Right here, right back here, the axle seal is leaking, and that's part of the problem. Now, in order to change the axle seals, you have to get the axles out. Joe, how do we get the axles out of this carrier?
Take this pin out, this bolt out, this pin comes out. They should be able to push the axles in and get the C-clips out of there.
So there's two C-clips that hold this, and you've got to loosen this bolt right here.
Yep.
Right?
That bolt.
And then this pin
size
comes out.
That comes out, and then I should be able to get to these C-clips that hold in the axles. There's one on this side and there's one on the other side.
All right. So if you've got a Jeep or any other vehicle with a rear differential and the axle seals leak, bring it to Pals. See you soon.